Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix we couldn't verify that this account belongs to. If you are getting the error message we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you in your Cash App, there are few steps you can take to try to fix this issue. First of all guys, verify your identity. Cash App may require you to verify your identity in order to use the app. To do this, go to your profile. So close this page. From here you have to open Cash App, and from here guys what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on profile, and after that guys you have to go to personal, and from here you have to verify your phone number or email address. Okay guys, and after that you have to close this page, and after that guys what you need to do is just simply you have to contact with Cash App support. If you have already verified your identity and are still getting the error message, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to contact with the Cash App support. Okay guys, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to double check your account information. Make sure you're entering the correct login information for your Cash App account. Check to make sure you are using the correct email address or phone number associated with your account, and that entering your passwords correctly. And still you are facing the error like this guys, and what you need to do guys, just simply you have to try to log in your account in a different device if you still having the problem. So after that check that you were connected with internet. For that you have to make sure that, so if you are using Wi-Fi, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi into mobile data or vice versa, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.